Oh, it's mine for custom cruisers, a beautiful bit of kit here, like everything we do, as you know. Anyway, this particular item is to allow you to convert a Magnetti Marelli fuel tank, which is on your baggers and your early Softails 95, to about 01 or 02. Okay, this particular item, you got one bung goes in your tank. Okay, the other one is this adapter, which obviously comes with the washers. But basically, this is going to allow you to fit a standard Harley tap, 22mm nut as they call it, onto your tank. Okay, so you can then run, we use these on all our EFI to carb kits, but cracking bit of kit, very well made, obviously very famous name that does them. If you're interested, we also do the full EFI to carb kits, which are on eBay, plus the quick release fuel line, which goes underneath the split tanks to save it going all over the place. Which, if you look at that, our Pingle, sorry, that's a Motion Pro.